Aloha romantic friends, welcome to today's video. And today we are going to make a soap called Honey Bunny Soap. And so this is actually today's soap embed pieces that we're going to be putting on the soap. So also, if you look at the video screen, you're going to see a picture or a illustration of what I'm hoping my soap will look like. This is the drawing, so let's get started. And so in this soap, the main ingredient is honey. Honey has a lot of beneficial properties, and honey is actually very good for your skin. So let's get started. In this bucket, as always, we have our oils and our goodies that we're gonna stir up to make soap. So without further ado, let's get soaping. What I'm going to do is separate my soap into different colors. I have different color batches. So we're going to work with blue. I always had trouble with blue, so hopefully it will work out for me. romantic friends, it appears we have reached the end of our video. I'm happy to say I have a romantic question for you today. The first question is, number 1, would you rather go on a bike ride with your friend, family, or loved one? Or number 2, would you rather go to a music concert and enjoy yourself? I would love to hear your answers to the question of the day. Go ahead and leave me a comment in the video box below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to take time out to pamper yourself. Bye now.